This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has approved Dubai's budget for 2014. The budget has been based on a set of 4 core principles and aims to simultaneously continue to stimulate economic growth, accentuate the social services sector, provide an operating surplus of 2 billion dirhams, and not exceed a budget deficit of 0.26% of GDP of the Emirate. The budget directly applies directives set by the ruler of Dubai to focus on a prudent fiscal policy that provides the stimuli necessary to economic growth, as well as raise the efficiency of government agencies to allow them to provide the best services, health and social care for all citizens and residents. Abdul Rahman Saleh Al Saleh, the Director General of the Department of Finance in Dubai, indicated that Dubai has succeeded in reducing the gap in the budget of 2014 between public revenues of 37,000 million dirhams and public expenditures of 37,882 million dirhams by 41% compared to fiscal year 2013. Al-Saleh also clarified that while there was the possibility of balancing the 2014 budget, the government's preference was to expand its expenditures to support the Emirates economy and contribute to higher rates of economic growth, part of which allocates an increase in public spending by 11% from the budget of the fiscal year 2013. And His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, UAE's Vice President and Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, has approved the health insurance law for Dubai, which stipulates that every national, resident and visitor is to have access to essential health services. The health insurance law for the Emirate of Dubai, number 11 of 2013, has been set up to ensure the delivery of basic health insurance for the approximately 3 million people in the Emirate. According to His Excellency Engineer Isa Al Maydour, Director General of the Dubai Health Authority, the law specifies a number of regulatory tools to ensure 2 fundamental goals: universal access to quality healthcare services and the development of the health insurance system that will further help drive the Emirates' booming economy. In the case of UAE nationals, new insurance cards will replace the existing DHA health cards. Emirati nationals will continue to have access to all current healthcare services provided by the DHA and various private healthcare providers. For residents, the health insurance law sets forth the employer's responsibility to secure insurance to cover the employees he sponsors. This applies to domestic employees as well, all of whom will receive essential health coverage, and the cost will have to be borne on the employer. The healthcare insurance coverage will be implemented gradually in 2014 and will be rolled out in phases until mid-2016.
For nationals, first of all, it will also give them access to the private sector facilities. So, at the moment, a lot of people have access only to DHA facilities. So this will expand access to private facilities as well. With regards to residents, the law defines what we call an essential benefits package, which is the minimum level of service or minimum level of coverage anyone living in the Emirates of Dubai should have. And basically, that's what it's going to do. It's going to ensure that everyone living in the Emirates of Dubai, whether they are a domestic worker or a laborer, all the way to a company CEO, get at least that basic coverage of health.
His Highness Sheikh Majid bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Chairman of the Dubai Culture and Arts Authority, awarded winners of DU's National Day competitions, the second DU Social Media Awards and the Operata by the UAE people. The event brought together members of the UAE community in a celebration of the UAE's 42nd National Day. His Highness was accompanied by UAE dignitaries and members of the community, including more than 700 students from both Dubai Men's College and Dubai Women's College, in addition to volunteers who helped organise the event. They were joined by representatives from the telecommunications provider DU. The annual awards ceremony recognises creativity and innovation in social media that promote vital UAE-related CSR campaigns and initiatives. The 5 award categories included Best Social Responsibility Award, Best Blogger Award, Best Social Supporter of Expo 2020 and the People's Choice Award. According to representatives from DU, events such as these are vital in supporting the country's youth.
We have launched the Social Media Awards for the second year this year, and it's part of a bigger umbrella of DO's National Day campaign. The Social Media Awards have many categories. Some of the most important categories are the Social Responsibility Award, Best Social Responsibility Award, Best Blogger, Best Digital Video or Content, and also there will be the People's Choice Award. The objectives of these awards is to actually ensure that our new generation use the social media channels in a positive manner to actually serve their country and serve the community. Today's winners are very special to us, and they're recognized because of giving back to the community without expecting anything.
Emirates Transport officially launched its transport services for private schools on Monday with an operational fleet of 100 buses serving private schools nationwide. According to local reports, Abdullah Al-Jarman, the general manager of Emirates Transport, stated that the company aims to add 230 school buses to the service with an estimated budget of 68 million dirhams during the coming academic year. Emirates Transport, originally set up to service government schools in the UAE, operates 4,000 school buses transporting 210,000 students from government schools. They are manned with 3,800 drivers and 2,700 male and female supervisors. The buses reach 36 locations nationwide. During the past 5 months, the school's transport centre concluded contracts with 17 private schools in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah and Ras Al Khaimah, through which 4,500 students are transported to and from private schools daily. The service is expected to expand with the registration of 35 new schools in the coming academic year. And with the 42nd National Day holiday now confirmed for the private sector as December the 1st, organisers of the National Day Parade in Dubai have rescheduled the parade a day earlier to ensure that everyone can participate in the event being held at the Mohamed bin Rashid Boulevard in downtown Dubai. According to reports in a local daily, sources from both Dubai Calendar and Emirate have confirmed the change, now a day earlier than the December 2nd National Day. The venue for the parade will be the 3.5-kilometre loop between the Dubai Mall, Burj Khalifa and Emirate Square, and will be held from 3 p.m. until 5 p.m. on the day. Confirmed entertainment on the day will include the famous dirham coin car, motorbikes, camels and horses, and for the first time a Formula One car courtesy of the Emirate partnership with the Lotus F1 team. Those attending can head over to the Burj Park after the parade, where the Happiest Nation event will commence at 6 p.m. The free show will begin with a look into the history of the UAE and will give the audiences a glimpse into important aspects of the UAE's past. The performance will be accompanied by a show of fireworks and will be topped off by giving commemorative gifts to everyone in attendance. Finally this evening, the iconic Burj Al Arab, in conjunction with Swiss Artgate UAE, unveiled its first ever art exhibition showcasing one of the country's leading artists, Abdul Qadir Al Rais. The exhibition, which is aimed at helping to create a better understanding and awareness of the region's culture and rich Arabic history, will give hotel guests the opportunity to admire 13 watercolour and oil paintings by Al Rais in the unique setting of Burj Al Arab's Assawan Amphitheatre located on the 18th floor. This is the first time the area has been transformed into an exhibition space since the opening of the luxury hotel. According to Heinrich Morio, Burj Al Arab's general manager, this inaugural exhibition provides a great platform to strengthen Burj Al Arab's links with the local artistic community. Abdul Qadir Al Rais is one of the most acclaimed artists from the UAE, whose paintings include landscape and architectural scenes inspired by traditional Emirati neighbourhoods, buildings and forts, using a photorealistic style. The rising sun artworks are to be, to a large extent, inspired by the Gulf setting and will be on display until the 4th of December.
It's for the first time we have such an exhibition with the most famous Emirati artist, Abdul Qadir Al Rais. Tonight we show 13 artworks from Abdul Qadir Al Rais. Some artworks are from 2009, 2011, 2012 up to 2013. And we have oil paintings here in the collection, and we have from Dal Sakina series, we have 10 artworks, watercolor on paper.